Welcome to the Morning Update. I'm Erin Ramsey. Genomic testing could reveal the source of a COVID outbreak in Melbourne's northern suburbs. 4 people have tested positive, including a preschool child. 10 potential exposure sites have been listed on the government website. Chief Health Officer Brett Sutton is urging anyone with symptoms to get tested.
We're working on a hypothesis that there's local transmission, especially focused in the city of Whittlesea, but everyone across Victoria really needs to be mindful of symptoms.
As a result, Queensland Health is also now on high alert from 1 a.m. tomorrow. Anyone who arrives in Queensland who has also been to one of those Melbourne sites listed will have to head to hotel quarantine for 14 days. Anyone who's visited an exposure site and arrives before then will have to quarantine at home. The number of deaths linked to coronavirus in India has now climbed to more than 300,000. But experts believe the toll could be much higher. India has now recorded 26 million cases and is now the epicentre of the pandemic. The British government has told UK Airlines to avoid flying over Belarus. It follows a Ryanair jet on a flight from Athens to Lithuania being intercepted by a fighter jet from Belarus and forcing it to land in Minsk. A dissident journalist on board was then arrested. British Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab has condemned the incident.
The scenario, as reported, is a shocking assault on civil aviation and an assault on international law. It represents a danger to civilian flights everywhere.
And it'll be a case of no jab, no fly for our Paralympic team. The coronavirus vaccine will be mandatory for those who want to travel to Tokyo for the Games. To more sport news, Carlton, Richmond and the Gold Coast are heading to the tribunal tonight to challenge suspensions handed to their players. The Blues' Lockie Plowman and the Suns' Nick Holman both copped 2 weeks for contentious incidents at the weekend, while the Tigers' Marlian Pickett was rubbed out for a week. ARL Commission Chairman Peter V'landys is again defending the crackdown on high tackles amid criticism of the number of players being sin-binned or sent off. V'landys says the change is here to stay.
If we don't take the action now, others will. Governments will. And they're starting to around the world with contact sports. So we need to be in control of our own destiny.
And in basketball, Melbourne United has beaten the Brisbane Bullets 99-88. The New Zealand Breakers play the Adelaide 36ers tonight. In entertainment news, Timothee Chalamet has landed the role of Willy Wonka in an upcoming prequel film. The Little Women actor will play a young Wonka prior to opening his famous chocolate factory. His reps have confirmed that he will be singing and dancing in the movie. Lindsay Lohan is set to make her return to acting in a Netflix Christmas rom-com movie. The Parent Trap actress set to play a spoiled heiress who gets amnesia after a skiing accident when she's then cared for by a handsome lodge owner. And the lead singer of the Italian glam rock band, which won the Eurovision Song Contest, has been cleared of drug use. The European Broadcasting Union says Mainskin's Damiano David returned a negative drug test. Their investigation has cleared him of any wrongdoing at his band's celebrations after their win. That's your latest from the Nova Podcasts team. We'll see you this afternoon for another episode of The Update.